This is the Argos II adding machine. It was made by Bernard Behr in 1914. Behr was actively promoting, selling, and patenting mechanical calculators in Germany at the turn of the century. If it looks like the Air style by Henry Goldman, that's not an accident. Goldman arrived in Germany in 1905 and contracted Behr to build his device. Behr liked it so much he just cloned it. Behr designed and released a few different clones before he died in 1917. The S&N adding machine was also Behr's, although it was a bit of a mechanical departure from the Argos. This is an advertisement for the new model from 1914. So this is the Argos II. It was a chain adding machine designed to be used with a stylus. Behr added a second counter register that had no carry and was designed to be cleared with the thumb after every entry. The Argos had complement numbers capable of subtraction. Of course, it was advertised as being capable of division and multiplication, although I don't think too many people were dividing on this thing. Mine can barely carry 3 places. Here, I'll multiply 25 by 25, clearing the counter register after each entry. The chain mechanism is a bit stiff. I've yet to be impressed by a chain mechanism. That second counter register does not carry, and it stops at 9. It came with this weird plate that I can't figure out what it would be for. It's not tight to the machine. My only guess is that the user could slip a piece of paper in between it and the machine to help keep the machine and paper stable while you work down the column of numbers. Although that puts the user in this weird ergonomic position, but I can't think of what else it would be for. Here's a look at the inside. There's no tooth between 6 and 7, which is why it stops turning at 9. So that was the Argos II. It will scratch your wood bench. Thanks for watching.